All right, so I thought this would be an interesting problem for the budding YouTube stars. So what a advertiser pays is about 10 cents to 30 cents per view, which averages out to about 18 cents per ad view. So that's like about $18 for every ad, every time an ad is viewed 1,000 times, right? So every time you watch a video, you don't see an ad. So every time that your video plays the ad, that would be about $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. So every time your video is viewed about 1,000 times, you could expect to make about $3 to $5. Be $3 for newer channels, $5 for more higher budget, more established channels. So I took the lower end and said, well, if you make about $3 per every 1,000 video views, how many video views would it take to make 500? So first thing we got to do is we need to identify our units. We got to identify those units. So like we said, I see dollars and we see video views. So let's write that down. I would say dollars to views, to video views. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is we are going to set up a ratio. Set up the ratio of what we know. So what we know is we know that it's $3 for every 1,000 views of your video. So next we need to set up what we know and what we don't know. We've already pretty much set up most of what we know, but let's just do the other ratio here. So we want to know how many views it would take to make $500. So I know the dollars are on the top, so I'm going to put $500 on the top. That's what I want to know. And what I don't know is how many views. So if I don't know it, that's going to be a variable. It's going to be my x. Okay, so now we've set up what we know and what we don't know. Now we just got to solve this thing. Cross multiply and solve. So 1,000 times 500 and x times 3. So x times 3, that one's an easy one. That's 3x equals 500 times 1,000 is 500,000. So then we're just going to divide both sides by 3. And we get roughly 166,667 views. So every time your video is viewed 166,000 times, you could expect to make about $500.